This is the best chicken 65 recipe ever. I'm going to take 2 pounds of chicken, add some lemon juice, salt, and some pepper to taste. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste and a teaspoon of chili powder, 2 eggs, give this a really good mix. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now I'm going to deep fry all of the chicken. Add half a cup of onions and some chilies to hot oil, and I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of curry leaves. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of sambal oelek. I'm going to add some pepper, a teaspoon of chili powder, cumin powder, and coriander powder. Now I'm going to add a little bit of food coloring and then add all of the chicken back in. Let's have a taste.